morning, everyone. My name is Nurhachita. I'm a student master of Technical Information at Binadharma University, Palembang. First and foremost, I would like to say, success and honor. I'm very delightful because I have the opportunity to attend 2020 in the first conference on the Internet of Things and Embedded Intelligence. Today, I will present my paper entitled A Comparison Between Deep Learning, Naive Bayes, and Random Forest for the application of data mining on the admission of new students. I will start my presentation. Abstract. The process of admitting new students at Islamic State University of Raden Patah, Palembang. Each year produces a lot of new student data, so that there is an accumulation of new student data continuously. The purpose of this study is to compare deep learning, naive Bayes, and random forest on the admission of new students, as well as being one of the basis for making decisions to determine the promotion strategy of each study program. The data mining method used is knowledge discovery in database, or KDD. The tools used are rapid manner. The attributes used are student ID number, name, study program, faculty, gender, place of birth, date of birth, years of entry, school origin, national examination, type of payment, and nominal payment. The new student data used from 2016 to 2019 with an 18,930 items. The result of the study used deep learning resulted in an accuracy value of 52 and 65%, and naive Bayes resulted in an accuracy value of 99.79%, and random forest resulted in the accuracy value of 44.65%. Introduction. The process of admitting of new students at the university generates a lot of new student data every year. The accumulation of new student data that occur continuously will slow down in the search for an information or that data. Based on the large amount of the new student data, by managing by data so that hidden information can be seen and can be useful by the university. For example, when conducting university promotion or socialization and study program at the school for new student admission, the university visits all schools for the promotion. The cause is a waste of budget because too many schools will be visited and not time efficiency. The attributes used are student ID number, name, study program, faculty, gender. The attributes used are student ID number, name, study program, faculty, gender, place of birth, date of birth, years of entry, school origin, national examination, types or payment, and nominal payment. There are three algorithms being to compare, namely deep learning, naive bias and random forest. Based on the result of the prediction of the three algorithms, can see the study program that is in demand by each school. Which of these three algorithms are more accurate prediction result so that it can be to help the university as the basis for the making decision to determine the promotion strategy of its study program at Islamic State University of Raden Patah Palembang, in order to determine which school will be visited to promote the study program on admission of new students for following year. The attributes used are student ID number, name, study program, faculty, gender, place of birth, date of birth, years of entry, school origin, national examination, types of payment, and nominal payment. There are three algorithms to be compared, namely deep learning, net bias, and random forest. Based on the result of the prediction of the three algorithms, can see the study program that is demanded by each school. Which of these three algorithms are more accurate prediction result so that it can be used to help the university as the basis for making decisions to determine the promotion strategy to each study program at Islamic State University of Raden Patah Palembang, in order to determine which school will be visited to promote the study program on admission of new students for following year. Based on the results of prediction of three algorithms, can see the study program that is in demand by each school. Which of these three algorithms are more accurate prediction result so that it can be used to help the university as the basis for the making decision for determine the promotion strategy of each study program at Islamic State University of Raden Patah Palembang, in order to determine which school will be visited to promote the study program on admission of new students following year. Research method use knowledge discovery in database or KDD. Knowledge discovery in database is the process of determining useful information and the pattern in data. This information is contained in a large database that was previously unknown and potentially useful. Data mining is one step in a series of KDD interactive processes. There are 5 steps in KDD. The first, selection, pre-processing, transformation, data mining, and interpretation or evaluation. Result and analysis. The first, deep learning. Using deep learning, modeling as known above with the amount of training data. New student admission data from 2016 and 2019, receiving 18,930 items. The accuracy of using deep learning is 55.17%. Besides producing an accuracy value, deep learning also produces a kappa value of 0.511, a correlation value of 0.804, and a cross entropy value of 1.793. And the second, the result of naive bias. Using naive bias modeling as now above with the amount of the training data, new student admission data from 2016 to 2019 receiving 18,930 items and testing data using 2019 new student admission data with a total of 4,762 items. The accuracy of using naive bias is 99.79%. Besides producing an accuracy value, naive bias also produces a kappa value of 0.998, a correlation value of 0.998, and a cross entropy value of 0.029. The third result of random forest. Using random forest modeling as now above with the amount of training data, new student admission data from 2060 to 2019 receiving 18,913 and testing data using 2019 new student admission data with a total of 4,762. The accuracy of using random forest for 4.65%. Like the picture above, besides producing an accuracy value, random forest also produces a kappa value of 0.421, a correlation value of 0.729, and a cross entropy value of 2.003. From the result of the comparison between the three algorithms, namely deep learning, naive bias, and random forest, can be seen in the table in the below. Result comparison of the three algorithms. The highest accuracy value is naive bias with the value of 99.79%, while for the highest kappa value is naive bias with the value of 0.998, while the highest correlation value is naive bias with of 0.998, and for the highest cross entropy value, that is random forest with a value of 2.003. Conclusion. Based on the research and discussion that has been carried, it can be concluded that from these three methods of the deep learning, naive bias, and random forest in determining the best student requirement promotion strategy at the Islamic University of Nurhachita Palembang, and referring to the original data. Data of new student used from 2016 and 2019 were 18,930 items. As data training and data testing use data of 2019 were 4,762 62 items. The result of this study used deep learning result resulted in an accuracy value of 52.65%. Naive result resulted in an accuracy value of 99.79%, and random forest result resulted in an accuracy value of 44.65%. So, of the three algorithms that saw the best result from the promotion strategy of incoming new students that are using naive bias with the highest accuracy, so of the three algorithms that saw the best results for the promotion strategy for incoming new students that using naive bias with the highest accuracy of 99.79%. Thank you so much.